Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of registering for a Colonial Penn insurance policy. Whether you're looking for life insurance or other coverage options, we'll make it easy for you to understand how to get started. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Research insurance options. Before registering for Colonial Penn Insurance, take some time to explore the different types of insurance policies they offer. Colonial Penn is known for its affordable life insurance options, including guaranteed acceptance life insurance and other plans tailored to specific needs. Visit their official website or consult with an insurance agent to determine the best fit for you. Step 2. Visit the Colonial Penn website. To start the registration process, open a web browser and go to the Colonial Penn website. Here, you will find detailed information about the various insurance products they offer, along with resources to help you understand your options. Step 3. Get a quote. Once you're on the website, look for the Get a Quote feature. This will guide you through a series of questions about your age, health, and the type of coverage you're interested in. Completing this section will provide you with an estimate of your premiums and help you make informed decisions. Step 4. Choose your coverage. After receiving your quote, it's time to choose the coverage that best suits your needs. Review the details of each policy, including benefits, terms, and costs. Make sure you understand what is included and any exclusions that may apply before making a decision. Step 5. Complete the application. Once you have selected a policy, click on the Apply Now button. You will be directed to the application form where you need to provide personal information such as your name, address, date of birth, and health history. Take your time to fill out the application accurately to avoid complications later. Step 6. Submit payment information. The next step involves entering your payment information. Whether you choose to pay monthly, quarterly, or annually, ensure that your payment details are correct to avoid any processing issues. Colonial Penn often offers flexible payment options that you can choose from. Step 7. Review and confirm your application. Before completing your registration, review all your entered information to make sure everything is correct. Look for any errors and double-check your coverage selection. Once you are satisfied, submit your application. Step 8. Await confirmation. After submission, you will receive a confirmation email from Colonial Penn regarding your application status. This email will provide you with information about your policy confirmation and next steps. Keep an eye on your inbox for any additional instructions or requirements. Step 9. Access your policy online. Once your policy is confirmed, you can access it through your Colonial Penn account. Create an account on their website if you haven't done so already. This portal allows you to manage your policy, update your information, and make payments conveniently. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide helps you navigate the registration process for Colonial Penn Insurance smoothly. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.